All right, project 3, phase 1. So I've cut up a lot of the ground light fuels and I've raked them back in toward where my burn pile is going to be. I'm loading my medium or heavy fuels into the middle of the burn pile, and I've got a fire line dug out. I'm going to have it go completely around. I'm going to, trim down all the ground level stuff. I've got an industrial size weed whacker blade, so I'm gonna get it all level, kind of looking like that. Scrape back in, have a line around the whole thing, and I'm gonna do some scratch or chicken scratch around it. So if anything starts creeping or burning through the root system, people don't think about that sometimes. The fire spreading that way. So I've got an uphill slant. Fire loves to travel uphill. You've got winds at different times of the day. The Chinook winds here in Oregon are a factor. So know your local winds, know the patterns of them, okay? Know where the encroaching vegetation's at. I'm gonna have to pull saw some of these limbs right now. So be aware of your surroundings. Know what's going on before you even get close to the burn point. Now it's time to put in some work. I've got some things to get loaded into here. I've got some trees to protect. Ranger Dave's Land Restoration. May the force be with you.